Okay, so we're still doing percent proportion, okay? So it says Harlow's monthly budget is shown in the table above. If she makes $1,600 per month, complete each statement below. So we're gonna write our percent proportion. Harlow uses blank percent, so we don't know what our percent is, so we're gonna put an X on top. We do know that this underneath is gonna be 100. Our total is the total how much she makes per month. She makes 1,600. That's gonna be our total. So you're gonna write 1,600 underneath. Okay. So it says her income to pay for car payment. Car payment is 400, so that's gonna be $400 out of that 1,600 is for the car payment. That's our part. Okay, go ahead and cross multiply. Multiply these two and then divide by 1,600. You're going to do the same thing for 2 and 3. You're still looking for percent proportion. We don't know our percent. Put an X. We know this is 100. We know our total is 16. Now you have to see how much her rent plus her phone bill. That's going to be your part. That's what you are going to fill in when you add these two numbers together. Number 3, Harlow uses less than or more than 60% of her income to pay for entertainment and rent. So you still doing your percent proportion. This is 100. So the 60%, we're looking for our percentage, okay? When we find out what X is either going to be more than 60% or less than 60%. That's what we're figuring out. Our total is going to be the 1,600, and you need to add entertainment and rent, and you're going to put it on top here where your part is. Okay, then you're going to cross multiply and divide. Okay, you turn it over on the back. Pause this at any time if you need to, so that you can write down all this information. So in the back it's going to be a little different, but you're still using percent proportion. So Jack's monthly budget is shown in the table. He makes $2,200 per month. That is our total. Okay, that's how much he makes per month. So 2,200. This does not change. But if you look at our table, we have percents now. So we're gonna know what our percent is. His car payment, the percentage of that is 20%. We're gonna write that right here. What we don't know is how much of that 2,200 is going to be for the car payment. So now you are solving the amount of money. So we're going to cross multiply here and then divide by 100. You're going to do the same thing for 2 and 3. You are looking for how much it is and fill in the rest. The total is 22. Okay. When you are finished, raise your hand so I can come by and check.